To change language in the Rednote app, we are going to open our Rednote app. Now notice that I'm using an Android phone to do this, so this would favor Android users. Now you head on to the bottom, you're going to see 4 different icons. So you head on to tap on the 4th icon, and then at the top right hand corner, you're going to see the settings icon pop up. So tap on it. Then you go ahead and tap on the second option, which is the general settings option. So we tap on it again, and then the next option to tap is the first option. So we tap on it. So here we see different languages pop up, and we have the option to change to English. So because I want it changed to English, I'll tap on it, and then at the top you're going to see this icon, which is a save icon. Head on to tap on it and allow it to automatically refresh. Ta-da! And can you see the interface has changed to English automatically, thereby enabling you to navigate the interface without any challenge. If you got value in this video, do well to like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification button. That's your own way of supporting me and encouraging the algorithm to push it out to many people interested in this content. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in my next video. Later.